guys, so to get started with this bun tutorial, you're going to need some gel, some water, a brush, some bobby pins, rat tail comb, which is optional, and a hair tie. Alright, so first style, guys, is going to be the basic bun. And I'm just going to spray around the perimeter of my hair. I usually like to start my buns off on super stretched hair. I usually get better results with my buns when my hair has been stretched. Alright, so to achieve the basic bun, I am just going to tie my hair to the top of my head. Then after that, I will twist or gather all the hair together and then wrap the hair around my head to form like a donut kind of shape and secure it with a bobby pin. And this is where you kind of have to play with the bun. You have to position it the way you want to and pin it as desired. Alright, and then that's style number 1. Alright, and then style number 2 is the top knot bun. You guys probably have seen this one already. If you haven't, I did a video on this before, but I just split the ponytail into 2 sections and then do 2 chunky twists. Then I just take 1 twist at a time and wrap it around my head and secure it with a bobby pin. Then I'll just kind of play with it a little bit to position it to my liking, and that's style number 2. Okay, alright, and then bun number 3, style 3 is the twisted bun. What I'm going to do is take the ponytail and I'm just going to do several small twists. Alright, once my hair is all twisted up, I just gather the twists together and form the bun, the top of my head, and secure it with a bobby pin. I'm just going to tuck that twist in and just kind of play with the shape. Gel a little bit of my edges, make sure my edges are laid down. Just going to take the rat tail comb to further smooth down my edges, and that's the look. Now to spice it up just a bit, you can use some hair accessories. I'm just going to clip a couple of the gold hair clips in just to give it a little bit of more of a playful look. But this is optional. You can wear it like it was without the accessories, or you can add some accessories just to give it a little flavor. So that's style number 3. Alright, then bun number 4 is the elegant bun. So I'm just now taking some pieces of hair out from the back and the sides of my head. Then I'm going to add a little more gel. Alright, then I'm going to put my hair into like a somewhat of a messy bun. like so. And then I'm going to take another hair tie and just go over top of that. Alright, and then I'm not finished with the bun yet, but I'm just going to now work on the sides of my hair. I'm going to spray that with water so I can activate that product to kind of give it a nice curl. So I'm just adding a little water to each section and just twirling it around just to get those curls to forming. I think this style is super cute because it's perfect. You can wear it to a wedding, some type of ball, or any kind of nice special formal occasion. This would be a perfect style, and it doesn't require a lot of time. Alright, so now once I've got the tendrils nice and curled, I'm just going to take my hair and pin a few of the pieces of the bun that were kind of sticking out. I'm just going to pin it in place. And that's bun number 4. Alright, bun number 5 is one of my favorites at the current moment, which is the space buns. Alright, so I'm just going to part my hair into 2 different sections. Alright, then I'm going to put my hair into 2 high ponytails. Pretty much giving my hair some pigtails right now. I had to keep my hair out, the little tendrils out for this style as well, because I just think it gives this style a really cute kind of flavor. So now I'm just going to gather my hair and wrap it around to form the bun and secure with bobby pins. Do the same thing on the other side. Alright, then I'm just going to make sure the buns look even, so I'm going to continue to pin the buns until I get that desired look. Alright, then I'm going to add a little gel. Then I'm going to add the hair accessories to this style too, just to give it a little cute, playful look. And that is style number 5. Alright, for style number 6 is a classic low bun. I'm going to start off by parting my hair as desired. I'm going to take a little bit of water to spray into my hair so it'll be easier to gather my hair down into a low ponytail. Then I'm just going to brush my hair down to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then I'm just going to tightly tie my hair down into a low ponytail. Then I'm going to gather my hair into one chunky twist and wrap it around my head to form the bun. Then I'm going to take a hair tie and tie that around my head twice. And then I'm just going to take bobby pins to secure the bun in place. Guys, so these are just a few bun styles that I like to do. Just some quick cute styles that you can achieve, you know, just to add a little spice to your life, a little flavor to some of your everyday hairstyles. These are perfect for school, work, just about anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments section if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.